Supreme Court's order, CISF will be now guarding RG Kar. Since yesterday, the CISF has been having rounds of meeting here in this administrative building in RG Kar, and what we are coming to know, that total 151 personnel will be stationed here, and that means that two company of CISF will be here deployed only to protect RG Kar Hospital. The DIG CISF himself was there yesterday. Here he had couple of meetings, and also he met health department officials, and then in the evening and the night it was decided that the two companies CISF will be deployed here today. Today also in the morning the senior officers have come. They are discussing which are the areas where this deployment is required. That is the final call which they will take with the discussion with the administration. Now the point is, as far as security is concerned, obviously the BJP is happy because the Shubhendu Adhikari demanded the Central Parliamentary Force to be deployed in RG Kar. So he is happy definitely. On the other hand, the Trinamool Congress is saying that though they are apparently, if you see politically, it is not a very good sign for the ruling party, because this is going to be a weapon for the opposition. But if it is regarding security, if the Supreme Court has given this direction, the Trinamool Congress has said that obviously the state government and the hospital authorities will definitely abide by that. But if you politically see it, this does not give a very good signal as far as the ruling party is concerned. The fact is, in such a situation, what are the things which CISF guards? Airports, scientific installations which are of national importance, all these things are taken care of CISF. Now CISF coming here, definitely good for the protection of the students, but politically it is not very good for the ruling party.